Do you want to record your sounds from the system? Record sound from the browsers? Or any other applications with ProTools? Welcome to my new ProTools tutorial about record system sounds in ProTools. It is difficult to get direct record input from the system audio device, because ASIO4 All took control over the audio device during ProTools starting to work. So, we have to install a virtual audio device like virtual audio cable. The download link is mentioned in the description below. After the installation of virtual audio cable, we have to make some settings on the audio devices. Go to Control Panel, click on the sound. Then the sound device window will open. Then enable to show the hidden disabled devices. The disabled device list on the tab. Select Stereo Mix, and click on the right button on the mouse and select Enable. Then select Stereo Mix Properties. Select the Listen tab. Enable checkbox, Listen to this device. From the drop-down list, select Cable Input. Click Apply and OK. Come down the device list. Select Cable Out. Click on the right button on the mouse. And select Disable the device. So, select the Playback tab. And select Cable Input. Set as the default device. Then click OK. Go to the ProTools. We have to do a couple of settings on it. On ProTools, click on Setup menu. And select Hardware. Click on Launch Setup App. ASIO4 All window shows the device list. Make sure about Enabled Audio Virtual Cable Input in addition to default audio device. Restart the ProTools, again click on the Setup menu. And select the I/O setup. Select the Input tab. Click on the default button for loading available inputs. Click OK and create a new audio track. Select the audio input interface as VB Audio Point 1 to 2. And select corresponding the output audio. The settings are completed. Now, I am going to check the sound from a browser. I open a YouTube video on the browser. On the ProTools, enable the track record. If you like my video, don't forget to click on the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Thank you.